Hello friends, today we are going to start the chapter 6 Nomadic and Dignified Tribes. Okay, the sixth chapter of class 7. The first question is choose the correct alternative from those given below. Each questions and write it index letter. Okay, so you can directly copy down the answers from here. Okay, the fifth one is remaining here. Okay, next page. Okay, the second question is filling the blanks. One is residential schools and hotels. Okay, answer. And 18 one is central Gujarat. Question number third is put a tick mark true or false. Yes, many of you commenting that I am going fast. Yes, I am trying to be slow. Then question number fourth, that is match the pair. Answer is 5, 4, 2 and 1. The second match the column, answer is 4, 5, 1 and 3. Okay, आप इसको पॉज करके आंसर्स लिख सकते हो. ओके, then question number third is 6, 1, 4, 2 and 3. Okay, then question number fifth, answer the following questions in one or two sentences. The first one, with which type of legacy in India a country. India is a country with a diverse culture legacy. Question number 2, which are called nomadic and denotified tribes. The caste is migrated from one place to another from occupation as well as livelihood are called nomadic and denotified tribes. Question number third, when did the nomadic and denotified tribes get the respectable status as denotified tribes? In 1952, the government of India liberated these nomadic and denotified tribes from the Black Act of the Criminal Tribes Act 1871 enacted by the British government. They got the respectable status as denotified tribes. Question number 4, how did some nomadic tribes used to buy and sell the goods? Some nomadic tribes used to impose goods on their animals, take them from one place to another and buy and sell the goods. Question number 5, which animals did some nomadic and denotified tribes trade? Some nomadic and denotified tribes traded animals like sheep, goat, horses, cows, buffaloes, donkeys, camels, bulls, oxen, etc. Question number 6, which things did the nomadic and denotified tribes Kangasia and Modwas used to sell? By going on village to another, hawkers of some nomadic and denotified tribes used to sell self-made ropes, grass mats and large bags. Question number 7, what was the distinctive identity of some nomadic and denotified tribes? Language, social affairs and lifestyles of some nomadic and denotified tribes were identical, but due to lack of stable social system, they lived a life of different level compared to another societies, and that was their distinctive identity. Question number 8, which tribes are included in the nomadic tribes of Gujarat? The tribes like Baniya, Guruvadi, Vansfoda, Bhavia, Ravelia, Kangasia, Chamta, Salat, etc. are included in the nomadic tribes of Gujarat. Question number 9, which tribes included in the denotified tribes of Gujarat? The tribes like Chara, Dafir, Miana, Wagir, Devpujik, Sandhi, etc. are included in the notified tribes of Gujarat. Question number 10. What has the government of India done for the nomadic and denotified tribes? The government of India has implemented special plans for the development of nomadic and denotified tribes by including them in the most backward tribes. 11th one, where is Devi Pujak denotified tribes found in Gujarat? In Gujarat, Devi Pujak denotified tribes are found in most part of the states. 12th one, in which occupation does Dev Pujak liberated tribe involve? Devi Pujak denotified tribes involves in producing and trading vegetables. In addition to this, they also do some traditional occupation. Who are called Vanjaras? The people associated with Vanjer are called Vanjaras. 14.1. In what were the most of the Vanjaras engaged? What was the collection of their commercial goods known as? The most of the Vanjaras were engaged in the transportations of merchandises, commercial goods. The collection of their commercial good was known as the Vanjar, means Tamdu. 15.1. For what work did Alauddin Khilji use Vanjara? Alauddin Khilji used Vanjara to transport a grain and goods to the market of Delhi. Question number 16.1. What has Mughal Emperor Jahangir mentioned about Vanjaras? The Vanjaras loaded auction and solid grains in the cities. Mughal Emperor Jahangir has mentioned this about Vanjaras. 71. How can it be said that Vanjaras were the link between India and the world? Vanjaras brought many goods from Central Asia of India, and many goods were taken to countries outside India. From this it can be said that Vanjara were the link between India and the world. 81. As far as in which countries are Vanjaras people located? Vanjara people are located as far as in Pakistan and Afghanistan. 19.1. Where do Maldharis reside in Gujarat? Maldharis reside in Gir, Barda, Alchik and desert region of Kutch in Gujarat. 20. When do the Maldharis of Kutch immigrated to where and taking what? Maldhari of Kutch migrate to central Gujarat in summer, taking a large number of camels, sheep and goat with them. 21. Of what art do the nets or acrobats people known? The nets or acrobats people known the arts of physical skill. 22. What occupation of do Kangasya people do? Kangasya people mostly do the occupation of selling combs and cosmetics. 23rd. How is the lifestyle of Kangasya and other nomadic denotified tribes seen? The lifestyle of Kangasya and other nomadic and denotified tribe is mostly seen in the form of Kabilai's family. 24th. What matter of Kangasya and other nomadic and denotified tribes are similar? Kabilas practice language, diet, dress, and other lifestyle of Kangasya and other nomadic and denotified tribes are similar. 25th. Why are still poverty and unemployment seen among the nomadic and denotified tribes? Still poverty and unemployment are seen among the nomadic and denotified tribes due to lack of education and awareness. Question number 6. Answer the following questions in brief. What kind of exchange took place between nomadic pastoralists and permanent farmer? Why? Nomadic pastoralists used by buy to buy grains, clothes, utensils and other items from permanent farmer, and in return they used to give other items like wool, ghee, etc. In this way the goods are exchanged between the nomadic and pastoralist and permanent farmers. Question number 2. Why had the Rabaris of Kutch to migrate in summer? Rabaris of Kutch depend on animal husbandry for their livelihood. They keep sheep, goats and camels. Most of the region of Kutch in desert. There is very less rainfall here in the monsoon. Therefore, in summer there is a survey shortage of water and folders in Kutch. This forces the Rabaris, Maldaris of Kutch to migrate in search of water and fodder to save their livestock. यहाँ पे जो नीचे है ये सेकेंड वन का ही आंसर है, ठीक है. थर्ड वन, विच आर द ट्रिक्स फॉर्म बाय द नेट्स टू entertain people. Nuts performs tricks like magic tricks, walking on a rope, walking on a stick, as well as other physical skills to entertain people. Question number question number 7 is give the reason. First one, the British government enacted Criminal Tribes Act 1871. In the Freedom's Revolt of 1857, the nomadic and dignified tribes helped the freedom fighters. Therefore, the British government enacted the Criminal Tribes etc. 1871 to separate these tribes from other communities. Under this law, the British government falsely accused some tribes and declared them as a criminal community. Second one, Vanjaras were the link between India and the world. Vanjaras brought many goods from Central Asia of India, and many goods were taken to countries outside India. From this, it can be said that the Vanjaras were the link between the India and the world. Question number third, Kangasia people lived in undeveloped condition. Kangasia people lived in undeveloped condition due to the migration from one place to another and closer of their traditional occupation. Question number 8, give the introductions. Maldaris living in Gir, Badra, Alich and desert region of Kutch in Gujarat are considered as nomadic and dignified tribes. They lived in nests in the forest of Gir and Badra hills and make their living on animals husbandry. Maldaris of Kutch migrate to central Gujarat in summer, taking a large number of camels, sheep and goats with them. They spin wools of sheep and hair of goat for their livelihood. Kangasia. Kangasia is a nomadic tribe of Gujarat. They mostly sell combs and cosmetics. Kangasia's people live in undeveloped condition due to the migration from one place to another and closure of the traditional occupation. Their lifestyle is mostly seen in the form of Kabila's family. Even though they lived in a far off places, their language, diet, dresses, etc. are almost similar. So here this chapter is over. So please चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस चैनल.